not reached to us till now. And how many notes we can generally see? Generally, we can see rupees 10 notes we all have seen and using. Rupees 20 also. Rupees 50 also. Rupees 100 also. Rupees 200 also. After that, rupees 500 also. And rupees 2000 also. These all coins and notes we can see. Generally, we are using all those coins and notes for our daily purpose, right? Now, suppose I am giving you rupees 5. What I am telling you, I am giving you rupees 5. How I can give? I can give you rupees 1 5 coin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Or else I can give 2 rupees and 1 rupees together. How? 2 rupees, 2 coins. Suppose this is 2 rupees coin and this is 1 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin. So like this way we can give, I can give, right? Or else I can give you one only 5 rupees coin. Like this way I can give you many, means I can give you 5 rupees. These all are 1 rupees, by the way. Right? No need to write this thing. Only write coins and notes. These things you need to write. Okay. So here, if I'm going to say, I'm giving you rupees 5 in 5 rupees coins, how many total number of coins you got? So you will say, ma'am, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 coins. Very easy sum. All of you understood? I hope so. So I'm rubbing this part and I'm going to the sum, that is 37 sum. 37 sum is given what? 37 sum is given what? 37 sum is given what? 37 sum is given that how many 5 rupee coins make rupees 30. So the answer is very easy, 6 5 rupees coins, because you see that here is rupees 5 coin, suppose 1 5 done. After that, when I'm giving you another rupees 5 coin, how money means how much becomes? It is 5 rupees. Now you are having 10 rupees. Now I'm giving one more. That is more 5 rupees I'm giving. Now it is 15 rupees. Again, I'm giving one more. Now it is how much? 20 rupees, right? After that, I am giving rupees 5. How much it is become? 25. Again, I am giving rupees 5. How much it become? 30 rupees 30. So how much coin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait for a while. So 6 5 rupees coin. Rest of the question you write on your copy. Okay, rest of the question means 6 5 rupees coins needed to coins makes rupees. Okay. Next sum. Next sum is B sum. I'm going. I hope that 37 everyone done. 10 2 rupee coin makes how much? So how much rupees 20 it will make? How? Just you can draw like this, or you can count very easily rupees 2 and how much coins they are talking about? 10. So here it is become rupees 20. This is A sums explanation. This is B sums explanation. Okay, everyone write it very fast. Again, we will go to C. Question number C. What happened? What
Ma'am,
happened?
you write in rupee 20 and you write also one more B. We write also that.
This is the explanation of the sums. These are, you can
We
write or
write
you cannot. If you feel that yes, after writing that I will understand it more better, মানে আরো ভালোভাবে বুঝতে পারবো পরে, তাহলে লিখে নাও, কোনো প্রবলেম। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
okay.
I'm giving you some times. I hope that A, B, all of you understood and done also. Then we will go to question number C. 8 10 rupee coin makes rupees. How much? 8 10 rupees coins. So rupees 80 very easily. So rupees sign is looking very bad in my handwriting. Now means how you will just get that. So here rupees 10 coins I'm giving you, and how many? 8 I'm giving you. So I'm multiplying. So here I'm got rupees 80. I am getting what? Rupees 80. This is also C sums explanations. Means here whatever is written over here, this and this, all these things are C sums explanations. Okay, I hope that 37 ABC all of you done. I am rubbing the board. I am rubbing the board. So we will proceed to the 38 sum. We will proceed to the which sum? We will go to the 30. We will go to 38 sum. 38 sum is given what? Ankit brought a toy. Ankit bought a toy car for rupees 75. If we gave a 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper, how much money will he get back? So here what he will do? Here one thing you can do that. Suppose I'm giving you rupees 20 and you just brought something of rupees 5. So 5 rupees, you all know that 5 rupees shopkeeper will give you back. So how we are doing it? We are just, this is a simple subtraction. But we all can understand that what is the answer it will be. But we need to write those things. Okay. How we will write? Here I am just showing you how you can write. Here you will write the sum like that. Ankit gave to shopkeeper equal to rupees. After that, what you will write? Ankit's toy car cost is. We will do the minus. Here, what will be here? He got back. So very easy sum. 5. After that, I will not listen to anything. Everyone exploring the phone only. So 39 sum will be your homework. 39 sum will be your homework. and I will just upload those things in the understood, right? Small hand is giving the hour time. That is why it is known as hour hand, and bigger hand is giving the minute time. That is why it is known as the minute hand. That means what? Suppose I am telling you that 12:30 is the time, right? 12:30, here you will see 12. This is known as the hour. This is known as hour. So here you will see that small hand is over here. Okay. And this 30, this is known as minute, right? That is why it will be denoting by bigger hand. Denoting by bigger hand means what? ঘড়ির কাঁটাগুলো ছোটটা আর বড়টা এক্স্যাক্টলি ওই জায়গায় থাকবে। So how it will happen? I will show you. First you all complete those writing, and meanwhile I'm just lowering all the hands. No one should just raise the hand. Tell you. Now here we have just 12:30. 12:30 means how will, this is suppose our clock. 1, 2, sorry, 12. 12, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So okay, here you will write like not like me. 9, 10, and 11. Right? Now the smaller hand I have drawn by green. So 12 half past means 12:30. Suppose here is the center. So 12 and 30. Here the minute hand is here. Like this, the watch will be looking like. Now why like this? Minute hand is very easy. 12:30 means after 12 it will be 1. That is why the hand is in between 12 and 1. And now 30 is not there in your watch. So what we have to know, while it is the smaller hand, when the smaller hand is traveling from here to here, the smaller hand covers 5 minutes. So when the smaller hand is on 1, sorry, that's sorry, not the smaller, bigger, it will be bigger. Okay. So bigger hand covers 5 minutes. Bigger hand covers 5 minutes means when the bigger hand is traveling for 5 to 1, you will see that it is only 12:05, right? When it is the bigger hand is on 2, here it will be 12:10. Like this, everyday watch is giving us the time, right? So here, when the bigger hand is at 12, that means, and the smaller hand is perfectly on any number, that means that is the perfect time. Suppose your class is starting at 11. So how the clock is looking like that time? That time clock is looking like the smaller hand is on 11 and the bigger hand is on 12. Every day you will see this is the scenario, right? Right or wrong? Right? So here we can say that this is 11, the time is 11. Okay? So here in the book, we all have seen, means there are few problems. Here we are going to do those things over here. First sum. So all of you are having book. 40 sum we can see. So 40A. Oh. So So 40A sum I'm showing here only. A sum here you can see that here the smaller hand is on 10 and the bigger hand is on 12. So the time is what? 10. When the bigger hand is on 12, that thing we will consider as 0 minute. Understand? So the next sum is what? Next sum is 7. The smaller hand is 7. All of you are having book. And bigger hand you can see. Bigger hand is on 3. And so what? That means with 3 we will multiply 5. So the time will become 7:15. Okay. Now C. C is what? C is given that the smaller hand is in between 6 and 7. That is why with the time is the smallest number. That means the 6. And the bigger hand is also in the 6. Right? So the time will be 6 into 5. Means the smaller, when the time is that number we will take. And we will just multiply it by 5 and the time becomes 6:30. So I hope that 40 ABC all of you understood. I hope that 40 ABC all of you understood. Yes? If yes, wave, everyone wave your hand. If yes, everyone wave your hand. If yes, everyone wave your hand like this. The meeting will be end in 1-2 minutes. Okay? So you have to do